Hi, welcome to this review of the Selle SMP Wells S Gel saddle. I'll go through the specification of the saddle first of all, and then I will and then we'll go into some of the features and some of the benefits. Okay, so this saddle retails for the aluminium rail. This retails at $169. It's also available with a carbon fibre rail as well. The cover is the vacuum technology, which means there's no fasteners or anything. It's adhesives. It's just vacuum packed onto the body. What else have I got to tell you? So the padding. So this one is the gel version. So this comes with sort of a gel that I'm trying to think of the word I'm trying to say. So it comes with polyurethane and gel included. It's self-modeling inserts basically, and they're designed to mold to your individual sit bones. This is suitable for anyone with a sit bone of 9 centimeters to 11.5 centimeters. It's suitable for men and for women. For mountain bike, road, gravel, cyclocross, commuter, fixed bike, fixed wheels, spinning bike, traditional bikes and electric bikes, and the padding level is described as intermediate. Let me tell you what they say about this saddle on their website. The ideal saddle for those who are discovering the world of cycling and looking for comfort and safety. Compared to the Well version, this new saddle adapts to narrow sit bones of men and women. Well S can be fitted on road bikes and mountain bike. The gel version is also available, which is the one we have here, which makes it even more comfortable even over longer distances. So let's have a look at this saddle and see what the features are. So there's one thing that stood out straight away that I've not seen on a saddle before, and I'll try and show you if I can get in close enough. This has been machined. These rails, which means that your seat post will grip onto it better. Such a simple thing. Also as well, there's 80mm rails, so you can get the perfect adjustment with this. The other thing as well, and bear in mind that this is the version that they send out to test. This is the test saddle. Let me show you on the top. It's got an enormous what's the word I'm looking for, cutout, and you can really feel and see the gel. I'm itching to try this one, I have to say. The shape is really quite distinctive, and if I compare that, and I'll show you against the saddle that's on my bike usually, and it looks really boring in comparison now, but this is the Physics and Teres, and it's flat as a pancake. And then you've got the SMP, the Wells S Gel. You can see, more than anything, it looks like a horse riding saddle almost like you sit in it, whereas with the Physics you sit on it. I'm itching to try this saddle, I have to say. So let me tell you about the process. So these are distributed in the UK solely by Glove, and you can go on the Selle SMP website, and there's a saddle finder, and then you can contact Glove if you're interested in buying one of these, and they will send you out a test saddle, and you can see whether you get on it, because saddles these days are not cheap, and you want to make sure before you invest your hard-earned money into whether this is going to be the saddle for you. They do look amazing, I have to say. Right, let's get this one on a bike and we'll see what it feels like. Okay, so this is the Wells S Gel on the bike, and it's so distinctive. It looks amazing, I have to say. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it. I really can't wait to try it. So this one has got the gel inserts, as I said. You can see those here where, I don't know if you can see. So we'll have a look and see what we think. I don't want to sit on it until I'm in. Oh wow. It's so comfortable, it's ridiculous. I would say it just needs slight adjustment. Just to get it where it needs to be. Feel a little bit tipped forward. Or should I say the saddle, I think needs slightly tipping forward. But you definitely feel those gel inserts. They are super soft. And you feel, and I don't know if this is the intention, but it feels like if you imagine you've got the foam underneath and the gel is just supporting you to move you around so you're in the comfortable position. So that's like the support. It's very clever, I have to say. I'm very impressed so far, and I've hardly ridden it. So let's have a look. Oh wow. You can do miles on this saddle. Absolutely miles. And I think as well, you spent a little bit of time getting the saddle in exactly the right position for you. It's very comfortable, I have to say. So you feel like you're sat in that curvature, in that part of the saddle, and your pelvic bones are being supported so that your hips hardly move. And because you're being supported so comfortably and so well, it's so difficult to describe the difference between being perched on and being sat in the saddle. And I think that's the big difference between this saddle and the physics one that I have on here usually. Because this one, in all positions, I don't feel like I need to move. I don't feel like I need to get in position to try and get comfortable. I'm supported and I'm comfortable. And that's a big deal. That's a big deal when it comes to bicycle saddles. I fell off a stationary bike. Oh yes, it's so good. It's so good. I'll tell you how good the saddle is. You start noticing the defects in the chamois in your shorts or your cycling trousers, because you start feeling like, oh hang on, have I got these on straight? Because they're so supportive. And I don't think I can give higher praise to a saddle than that. Normally when something is so good that you look at other things to see whether there's a fault, that's normally a sign that the saddle has nailed it. And I have to say, I feel like the saddle has nailed it. It's really good. Really good. Take a bow. Selle SMP. Take your bag.